Metal. Most people think of it as a solid material that's typically hard, shiny, and sometimes malleable. But to me, metal is life. I'm Sheldon the Sheep, and I have been the Chief Operations Officer here at Fabulous Fabricators for 21 years. When my boss first hired me back in the 90s, the business was rapidly expanding, and we had to buy all new machines to help with the increasing workload. This was a pretty daunting task for someone that gets overwhelmed pretty easily. I couldn't really make heads or tails of all the bending, forming, and cutting we needed to do. But thankfully, my first week on the job, I got a call from Peter, the sales rep from Big Red Brakes, who kindly made all the decisions for me. And we've been buying their machines ever since. Why? Well, why not? Reminds me of this saying I've had in my family for years. You gotta follow the herd. And this herd says Big Red Brakes are the best. Sure, my team regularly brings up RAS and how their machines would fabricate 3 times faster and save us a bunch of money, but that would involve change, and change is scary. It's not like there's been a lot of innovation since the 90s, right? Advancements, modernization, savings, I am not your guy. No siree. And after all, it's not my money. You should just follow the herd. I do.
Don't follow the herd. Put it on a RAS.